It's easy to think that success in digital transformation is all about technical expertise. However, research shows that the technology is straightforward. It's the people that most often put the transformation in the ditch. Hi, I'm Tori Bjorklund, CEO of Victorified, and today I'm back with another video in our Digital Transformation Roadmap series. In last week's video, we talked about how to build a detailed project management plan, or PMP. Today, I want to talk about the one thing that can make or break your project team. To assemble your ideal project team, there are three essential steps you need to take. First, you need to define your needs. Secondly, assess your people. And thirdly, assign the roles. Defining your needs involves outlining the roles and responsibilities within the project. Filling out a RACI matrix is a good way to do that, and we've talked about that in the past. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. Once you've done that, you need to detail the specific job duties associated with each role. This provides a clear understanding of the qualifications and skills required for each position. Assessing your people requires thorough, objective assessment of your current team members by evaluating not only their skills, qualifications, and areas of expertise, but also their availability, character traits, and personal qualities to determine whether or not they'll be a positive change agent for your organization. This assessment will uncover gaps, both skills and resources. In another video, we'll talk about how to fill those gaps through training and other forms of upskilling and augmenting your team with external resources such as hiring additional staff, outsourcing activities, or bringing on consultants or vendors such as Victorified to empower your team for success. Tune in next week, though, to hear about our methodology for selecting those vendors. Lastly, you'll need to assign the roles. This requires some discussion among the project leaders and sponsors, along with the proposed team members themselves. You may encounter resistance, whether disagreement on level of responsibility or an unwillingness to collaborate as a team or various other forms of resistance. Effectively communicating and providing space to hear any concerns will greatly increase the chances of buy-in. So congratulations, you have your dream team. Our digital transformation journey is just beginning. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and click on the link in the description below to read the article that contains more details on building a high-performing digital transformation team. At Victorified, we combine industry best practices with business prowess. Our proven process for transformational change can equip any company to succeed in leveraging technology to bring about positive transformational change. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. And if there's a topic you'd like to hear me or one of our digital transformation experts cover, let me know in the comments down below or reach out to info@victorified.com. I'm Tori Bjorklund, thanking you for your time. I'd like to invite you to join me again as we continue to explore the intersection of business and technology while we seek to make change positive. I hope to see you again next time.